Today is August 23rd. Jonathan will be 2 months old tomorrow, and we are looking at ourselves in the mirror. Who is that? Who is that? You want to get closer? Who's that cute little boy in the mirror? Yeah, that's you. That's you. Such a cute little boy, huh? Such a cute little cutie. You smile? Can you smile? You wanted to change positions? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Is that better? Oh, the mirror moves. He's pushing the door and the mirror is moving. You like that? Oh. He's getting distracted now that this mirror is moving. Look at yourself. Yeah, aren't you a cutie? Oh. Pushing the mirror away. Oh, yes, and he likes to eat his hands. Say hi to that baby. Say hi to that cute baby in the mirror. That's you. Oh, he's not really looking at himself anymore. Okay. Bye, everybody. Oh, are you gonna look? He's pushing the door. Hi. Okay. Bye-bye.